If you don't already have your own personal scan tool for your vehicle, maybe it's time that you upgrade. Having one on hand means you're not stuck guessing every time your check engine light pops on. The Innova SD35 OBD2 Scanner makes it simple to plug in, pull codes, and actually understand what's happening with your car. It's straightforward enough that you don't need to be a pro mechanic to use it. What we really like is how user-friendly the menus are. You connect it under the dash, follow a few clear prompts, and the screen lays out your options without any complicated setup or guesswork. One of the best features is live data. You can not only see the numeric values, but you can plot multiple data PIDs at the same time. Things like fuel trims, O2 sensors, and RPMs. That real-time view helps spot issues that don't always trigger a hard code. And it goes beyond just the check engine light. The tool can scan ABS, SRS, TPMS, and run full system diagnostics on most vehicles, which is a huge step up from basic code readers. Another bonus is access to Innova's Repair Solutions 2 library. After a scan, you can look up likely causes, fixes, and even parts recommendations. That saves hours of hunting through forums and guesswork. Overall, this scanner has been a real upgrade for us. It's easy to use, packed with features, and gives peace of mind whether you're fixing things yourself or just want answers before heading to the shop.